All right. So here we talked about the simultaneous application of two events. But what if instead of two events happening simultaneously, what if they happened sequentially? So what do we mean by that? So examples that we've already seen in the previous section under conditional probability, where a first event changed the sample space of the second event occurring. And in section 3.2, we learned about independence and dependence, and recall taking cards from a deck of 52 cards. So down below is going to be an example of taking cards with replacement. And if you've got two events where the events, instead of being applied simultaneously, they're applied sequentially, and between each event, you have what's called replacement, then those two events can be, I guess I want to say, assumed to be independent of each other. So, for example, if we had a deck of 52 cards and we were looking at the probability of getting maybe a four of clubs. So the background here, you see a four of clubs. Use a different color. Okay. So if we were to first pick a card, and the card that we picked was the Jack of Hearts, and we put that card, we take it out, we put it in our hands, and we put it back into the deck, and then calculate the probability of getting a four of clubs. Well, we started with 52 cards, and we ended with 52 cards. So the probability of choosing this four of clubs will not have changed, okay, because we had replacement between the two events. So here, if the relationship between two events occurs with replacement between sequential trials, both events are considered independent of each other. Therefore, the form of the multiplication rule to be used is going to be this one. So for example, let event A be a Jack of Hearts. Let event C be a four of clubs. Find the intersection. And so here the intersection is going to be 1 out of 52 times 1 out of 52, which is equal to 0.00370 or 0.0370%. Now this is the probability of the first card being a Jack of Hearts and the second card being a four of clubs. That's why the probability is so low, is getting those two particular cards. All right, so pause the video here and see if you can complete this think, pair, share on your own. And then resume and see how you did.